research. Okay, we are now at the point where you can begin researching Frida Kahlo and what we've learned so far in Amplify. Here are the directions. Write 1 to 2 paragraphs providing key information you discovered about your topic. Make sure you include two framed quotes from 2 of your sources. Now, you were supposed to find 3, but you really only have to use 2 of those sources. Now, remember, you have to start with a research question. I will share this document that has research questions that we came up with in class, including my own, which is right up here at the top. These are simply meant as examples. Okay, if you came up with your own, great. But if you had trouble coming up with a research question, I encourage you to look at this list and choose one. Now, if you use the first question, which was mine, why was Frida a communist? Remember to go back to lesson 80, Frida and Diego, subunit 2, lesson 3, card number 3 first, and make sure you go through the steps of typing in your answers, copying, pasting answers from the websites, and putting them in here like I did here. When you are done, then each of the sources will show up here in these gray boxes. Okay, remember we had a question about that. I can't type in the gray boxes. It's because you have to go back here to card 3, copy and paste parts of the source, the website that answers your research question, and put it here. So that way you have all 3 sources here and you can just begin writing. Now, it's okay to type it right here in Amplify, but when you're done, just make sure you copy and paste it and put it onto either a Word doc or a Google Doc. Make sure you follow the ACE format. Okay, start with restating your question. I just put the question here in a rough draft form so I knew which question I was trying to answer. So it kept me focused. And then you see here I have a start for my writing. If you use this start, make sure you reword it and put it into your own words. Please remember that when you're done typing in Amplify, that you head over to Grammarly and correct your errors. I will be grading this based on writing conventions, style, and did you answer the question. When you make it over to Grammarly, please make sure that you have signed up for an account using your Google login. Click New, and then once you click New, copy and paste your paragraph or paragraphs into this new document and allow Grammarly to check it. And then once it's checked and it's caught all your errors, or at least most of them, copy and paste it onto a Google Doc or a Word document. So remember, 1 to 2 paragraphs, 2 quotes from two-sided quotes from 2 of your sources. Type it onto a Google Doc or put it onto a Word doc, and then upload it into your Google Drive, and then from there you should be able to turn it in to the assignment post.